there. Welcome to Barcelona, bitch. Who you know wakes up in Barcelona? This is Dolores. Hi guys, welcome back to your boo's channel. You know the vibe. Those who are new to my channel, welcome. I go by the name of Shireen. My YouTube channel is all about vlogging, lifestyle, hair, makeup, fashion, everything. I do a little bit of everything on this channel. So if you're interested in that type of content, you already know what to do. Click that subscribe button. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you guys to subscribe. Just click, okay? Yeah. Today I have a few things that I have to get done. I'm sorry for the lighting. Like I don't have numerous positions to put this camera, so you guys could see me, okay? Naturally beautiful. You know I got a little fatness going on here. Let me fix myself. Yeah, so I actually have a few things to get done because as you know, like I'm actually going on a weekend trip this weekend. So I have a few things that I want to buy and a few things that I have to do. So I actually have like my agenda here where I write everything that I want to get and everything that I want to do, because otherwise I just go in stores and actually when I don't see what I want and I see something else, I actually take that something else and then I end up leaving the store without what I actually came for. So I decided to actually oh, you have a better light in here. Yeah. So I decided to actually work with my agenda and like have a visual of what it is I actually need to get, you know what I mean, so I won't have to spend unnecessary money. So that is the vibe. I just gotta go to the dentist to check my teeth, and then I gotta do my nails and then buy a few things like soap, toothpaste, you know, these type of things to go away with. So yeah, just starting off the vlog like this. I actually, my belly rumbling, so I think I'm gonna go by McDonald's quick and get something to eat and yeah, start off my day. I'm actually running behind schedule because I wanted to leave the house at least for 8 and it's 10, and I was actually planning on doing my makeup and stuff, and when I see the time I was like, you know what, this natural beauty is going to be it today, so we just gonna just vibe. So you know, I'm gonna jam to some music. This is actually my friend Kai have some booming bass in this car, so I'm going to actually pump my music and move along with my journey. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, so I know I started off this vlog speaking in English, but I wanna include French for my French supporters who cannot be French supporters if they do not understand anything that I'm saying. So du coup, on va essayer de parler en français, t'as capté? Du coup, comme je disais tout à l'heure là, j'ai quelques trucs à faire par rapport à mon petit week-end que j'ai de prévu en Barcelone. Ce week-end. Et du coup, oui. Ce matin, il fallait que j'aille à Percy, chez un dentiste pour prendre rendez-vous parce que j'arrive pas à les joindre par téléphone. Du coup, je vais aller faire ça. J'ai pris rendez-vous avec eux. Donc ça, c'est déjà une bonne chose de fait. Ensuite, là, ben, je mange parce que je meurs de faim, là, voilà. Et je vais faire mes ongles et mes pieds parce que là, ça va pas. Ça va pas. Donc avant que je meure, là, je vais manger. Je vais finir de manger. Je vais mettre de l'essence dans la voiture parce que là, c'est pas bon du tout. C'est pas bon. Après, je vais faire mes ongles et je vais vous montrer ce que j'ai fait. Alors, avec mes ongles, j'aime bien faire des trucs un peu de tout, tu vois. Mais par rapport à mon travail, c'est mieux pour moi de faire French manicure, qui est déjà classe et que les gens de mon travail vont pas me faire chier, quoi. C'est bon, hein? Moi, je comprends pas comment les KFC ne peuvent pas avoir maïs. C'est très important, le maïs, hein. Bref, vous avez capté. À tout à l'heure. Du coup, voilà, ben, je suis rentrée, hein. J'ai fait mes ongles. Always with a pink and white. J'ai fait mes pieds aussi. Je vais pas vous montrer. Je sais pas encore si je suis satisfaite ou pas de mes pieds. En tout cas, elles ressemblent à quelque chose. Mais c'est pas ce que j'ai voulu. C'est pas ce que j'attendais. Mais bon, bref, c'est pas très grave. Au moins, mes pieds ressemblent à quelque chose pour partir parce que franchement, zéro. Ok. Du coup, j'ai pu conquérir ma liste que j'ai préparée pour justement partir. Vous savez, j'ai juste pris des choses basiques, you know, toothpaste, whatever, stuff for when you have your stuff. Just in case, a little soap rack, you know. Parce qu'en fait, moi, j'aime bien les gels douche, mais j'aime bien changer aussi, tu vois. Donc, du coup, ben, j'utilise des savons en barre, quoi. And, you know, cocoa butter for the ones and twos, like. Vous voyez ça, là? C'est la meilleure des choses que vous pouvez acheter. Surtout pour nos peaux, là. C'est la meilleure des choses que vous pouvez acheter. Donc, je vous recommande de prendre ça au lieu de tous les autres crèmes que vous essayez de prendre. Il faut cette crème là pour aller avec cette crème là, il faut ça pour aller avec ça. Ça fait tout. C'est un prix, ça fait tout. C'est vrai que ça coûte un peu cher, ça coûte 7,90 €. Mais ça vaut le coup. Ça vaut le coup. Du coup, voilà. Bref, voilà, again. Lip gloss. On va et ça en direct live. I said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is high. J'espère que je vais pas lui perdre parce que je me connais tellement. Je pense que je vais lui perdre. Et aussi j'ai dit bon écoute, je vais essayer d'acheter un spray en déodorant au lieu du truc. J'ai envie de changer, j'ai envie de changer, de voir ce que ça donne. Est-ce que ça va durer? C'est marqué 48 heures. Bon, c'est la première fois que je vais utiliser ça. Quoi. Ça sent comme le Dove que j'ai l'habitude d'utiliser, sauf que celui-là c'est juste en spray, donc on verra bien. Parce que en fait avec celui qui roule là, ben je vois ça lâche des trucs blancs alors que ça non. Mais est-ce que ça va tenir? C'est pas pour tout le monde. C'est pour tout le monde, donc du coup on va voir. Bref, donc du coup ça c'est mon petit shopping que j'ai fait avec mes ongles, mes pieds, tout ça. Je suis allée au dentiste comme j'ai dit. J'ai voulu aller chez le dentiste. Je suis allée et malheureusement ils m'ont pas pris. Ils m'ont dit il faut prendre rendez-vous. Donc du coup j'ai pris rendez-vous, il faut que je retourne là-bas encore le 3 septembre. Donc du coup voilà, je vais retourner le 3 septembre. Donc, du coup voilà, j'ai aussi fait mes sourcils. Demain je vais refaire mes cils parce que on va zoomer dessus. Hein. What is that? Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh my god. Du coup, demain, je vais faire mes cils. J'ai déjà pris rendez-vous normalement. Et après ça, jeudi, je travaille. Vendredi, je vais faire mes cheveux. So, yeah. Friday, I do my hair. And Saturday, shoot at this motherfucker. J'ai une histoire à vous raconter. Donc, tout à l'heure là, avant de partir faire mes ongles, je me suis fait arrêter. Je me suis fait arrêter par des gendarmes. Le gars me dit ah ouais ça fait plusieurs fois que je te vois conduire vite et tout machin tout ça. Moi j'ai dit ah bon, moi yo, parce que déjà de un c'était même pas ma voiture, la voiture que j'étais en train de conduire c'était même pas ma voiture. Donc comment tu oses dire que ça fait plusieurs fois que tu me vois conduire vite alors que avec ma voiture, tu m'as jamais arrêté pour me dire que je conduis vite, mais tu attends que je change de voiture pour me dire ça. Alors peut-être que tu t'es trompé de personne. Parce que je trouve ça pas logique. Tu attends que je change de voiture pour me dire que je conduis trop vite. Il m'aurait dit que genre je pète la musique trop fort ou machin comme ça. J'aurais dit ok parce que voilà quoi, la voiture de ma copine, ça... Voilà, ça joue et il y a une bonne base. Du coup moi je flex quoi, tu vois. Mais je peux pas me dire que je conduis vite avec sa voiture alors que sa voiture n'a pas de puissance. Ça n'a pas de sens. Non mais il m'arrive que des trucs que je comprends pas. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. J'ai acheté une glace, je vais juste regarder des séries et tout. Demain je vais faire mes sites, donc on va reprendre le vlog demain et ainsi de suite. Je vais vous montrer. Je pense que ça va intéresser plein de gens. Notamment les gens qui aiment faire des vlogs comme moi, les gens qui aiment prendre des photos, etc. qui ne veulent pas trop gêner les gens ou demander aux gens de prendre des photos pour toi ou de tenir ça pour toi ou ceci, cela. J'ai acheté un sac sur Amazon, j'ai commandé un sac sur Amazon et je vais vous montrer parce que je trouve que c'est vraiment intéressant. Et que voilà quoi, je pense que vous aussi vous allez l'aimer. Alors, elle est rose parce que j'aime le rose. Après, il y a aussi en noir. Du coup, ce sac là, en fait, comment je vais faire pour vous montrer? Ça s'ouvre comme ça. Tada! J'ai commencé déjà à le remplir, mais attendez, je vais vous montrer. Alors, ce sac là contient énormément de place. Ça vient avec ce truc là que je vais vous montrer plus tard. Par exemple, là, je peux mettre mon appareil photo. Là aussi, j'ai déjà commencé à mettre certaines choses pour mon GoPro. Là, j'ai mis le GoPro. En fait, il y a plein de places qu'on peut mettre plein de choses dedans. Donc, je trouve ça vraiment, vraiment bien. Là, tu peux mettre ton passeport et tout. Là, à côté, sur les côtés, tu peux mettre des bouteilles d'eau. Et ce qui est intéressant, c'est que là, en bas, on peut brancher notre... non pas brancher, mais genre mettre notre tripod ici, qui fait que tu peux avoir ton tripod, tes appareils là dedans. Et derrière ici, juste derrière derrière ton dos là ils ont fait une place spécifiquement pour ton ordinateur. Du coup, je trouve que c'est vraiment intéressant pour les gens qui veulent commander ça. Je vais laisser le lien. Donc du coup, je trouve ça vraiment efficace, ce sac là. Si jamais vous voulez pas lui faire comme si genre c'est un sac de caméra, d'appareil photo, tout ça, vous pouvez enlever tous les trucs orange, ça là. Vous pouvez les enlever comme vous pouvez les remettre justement pour mettre ce que vous voulez. Enfin, ça peut juste être un sac à dos normal, ou sinon vous pouvez le changer et mettre tout ce que vous avez besoin de mettre dedans. Donc je trouve ça super efficace par rapport à ce que moi j'aime faire. Et voilà, en plus de ça, il y a une partie où tu peux mettre ton comment dire ça, ton computer, like who you know. I'll wait. Et du coup, franchement, ça motive de faire des vlogs. Enfin, quand on a des nouveaux trucs, ça motive toujours de vouloir continuer, de vouloir s'évoluer, etc., etc. Donc du coup, si jamais ça vous intéresse, comme j'ai dit, je vais laisser le lien dans ma biographie. Comme ça, vous pouvez juste cliquer dessus et sûrement vous en prendre une aussi. Et that's it. Comme j'ai dit, il y a un noir et rose. Et puis après, il y a des plus petits. Si celui-là il est trop grand, il y a plus petit. Enfin, il y a plusieurs choix, quoi. Donc, voilà. So, anyways, guys, I am going to leave you guys. And I want to see you guys soon. Je vais manger ma glace. And that's it. Hi, guys! Là, on est prêt. Là, on finalise notre valise. Et après, we are going. Always waiting on Cassie. We are always waiting on Cassie. Du coup, notre Uber arrive à 6h30. Il est 6h12. Donc, du coup, ça va. On est sur les temps. Sur les temps ou dans les temps? Dans le temps. Dans le temps. So, yes, guys. See you guys just now. You look like you don't know how to tie your shoe.
Open it. Trying to open it last time.
Attends. The man walk with his whole iron in the bag. Non, c'est pas possible.
I gotta present.
Here, pass back. Shit, buy me your shit. I had on glasses. Okay.
So wait, how are we doing it? So? To make it look like we're going inside here.
From the back. Oh, yeah. You gotta watch that, like, you know? Boy. What?
Messing up our whole system, you know? And we just wait.
Just make sure you like what's on top, see if you'll see that on the phone. You seen it, right?
No.
Okay.
How many seconds after this?
Well, let me know when to go.
Okay, to go.
Go.
You have the time already?
Yeah, you gotta watch that.
Yeah. Just to have a 3 seconds video.
Guys, never do a TikTok while you're wrong white people. They're gonna pass all over in your video like they ain't care.
Always got a white person all up in your business.
Always the bullshit.
So, du coup, ça fait au moins 3 heures. On a 3 heures de retard là. Ça commence à me saouler. As you can see, hat off, everything off parce que c'est bon en fait. J'en ai marre. En plus, le truc c'est qu'ils ne donnent pas à manger. C'est important. C'est important, il faut donner à manger. Pendant 3 heures, t'es là. C'est pas normal ça.
Oh my god, who her red funnel?
This one over there catching a big laugh. Big joke. That funny to you?
I heard it.
Hold on, bro.
There is a piano. Yeah, piano. You want this damn noise.
Yamaha. Yo, bike life.
Do your thing.
Okay, get her. Yo-ho! Yo-ho!
You hitting them notes, man.
Let's one from Keith.
Hey, il est là, c'est fait pour utiliser, non? Okay, good.
What you need?
A video. Okay, so we are on the plane, guys. On the period. On est bon, on va pas à Barcelone.
We are ready to leave the place now.
Après 3 heures, on est finalement dans l'avion. Donc tout va bien pour l'instant. On croise les doigts, guys. Croise les doigts. Next stop, Barcelona.
Card in your seat pocket.
Revisen la tarjeta de seguridad a bordo que se encuentra situada en el bolsillo del asiento delantero.
And remember, in the event of an evacuation, you must follow the cabin crew instructions, leaving all hand luggage behind.
Yes, you don't panic. I'm panicking. Yes, you don't panic. You don't panic. Yes, you don't panic.
Party start, party start.
Yes, you don't panic.
Party turn up. We have landed, guys.
We come to pass.
Okay, so guys, room tour. This is one room. It's pretty nice with 2 beds. They already packed their shit. We have a mirror right here. Here is the toilet. I like the fact that it's separated from the shower, whatever. I don't know what light it is. Here we actually have the shower here, which with another toilet, so that's even better. Another room with closet right here and everything. And then we have the kitchen. Wow, I love it.
We got a dishwasher, so we washing no dish.
We
No dish.
the microwave and the stove and dishwasher and everything. Guys, we are getting ready to leave actually. Sorry did not, inform you guys about the rest of the day. We just went to the pool, chill.
Acting a fool.
I almost get kicked out because we have no behavior. But we going, where we going? What are we doing? Don't put your hair like that, no sis. I think we can find something to eat. We're going to get something to eat and then we're going to try and find bars. We all about the nightlife. So hopefully we find a bar that's very much interesting to us. I know. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut the vlog like right now because I'm not going to take the camera with me. I ain't going to bag and I ain't trying to do all that. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see the fits because the fit is looking bomb as fuck, you know who I do. So guys, change of plan. We back in time, back to zero. We went to we went to eat, we went to KFC, And then we was looking for a bar, but places are closing around 12:30. So you know, black people are always late. Like you say place closing 12:30, we leave in like 11:45. So we eat and we back. Maybe we might run some Uno or whatever. I don't know. These two girls over there. This this one over here dying. We are up. It's 9 o'clock. Time to get up.
It's time to relax and.
No, bitch. I was thinking, what about we go to the brunch and then we go to the boat?
Want to do that?
I mean, it's an option. I'm just putting options out there.
Idea, but half the people have to be already paid for that kind of option.
But yeah.
And when I say half, the longest people in the have to be paid already paid. So can they do?
I got to listen to it and then we'll not speak.
I like both.
Oh my god.
Why I don't?
The stone doesn't make too fancy.
I mean, we're on vacation. I like fancy.
You see, I had buy a top like this, but yours was full now, but I had buy I think
It's too loose though.
yeah. I can't eat these slabs.
But I have a
Remember what it?
The struggle is real. Like, give me an old-fashioned stove, please, because I can't deal with this bullshit. Jour 2 à Barcelone. Ceci dit, aujourd'hui, on va aller sur un catamaran. We're gonna shake our asses on a yacht in Barcelone. J'espère juste que genre ça va être bien. Like, hey, what is this? J'espère juste que ça va être bien parce que I don't wanna like not have fun. I wanna turn up. I wanna like really turn up. And I want to see what these, you know, Spanish people are like, party and stuff. So, un autre truc à dire. Bon, je sais que je mélange anglais, français, you know. That's just me, ok? Tu auras un peu de français, un peu d'anglais, et puis tu gères ça comme tu veux, tu le prends comme tu veux. Y a un truc que je veux dire, c'est qu'à partir de minuit et demi, il y aura plus de soirée. Il y aura plus de soirée, enfin, tous les bars se ferment et tout. Je trouve que c'est un peu nul. Mais bon. On va faire avec, on va essayer de partir un petit peu plus tôt ce soir pour arriver je sais pas où. En espérant qu'on va pouvoir en profiter justement des soirées, des bars qui sont éventuellement ouverts pendant une certaine heure. Donc du coup voilà. Les autres sont en train de se préparer là et normalement on est censé partir à 1h30. Là il est à peu près 12h30 donc ça va, on est dans les temps. Donc voilà, à tout de suite. Sur le bateau. Yes, guys. We have arrived at the marina. Catch a boat. So we're actually asking for information. Ah, ok. Dale. Ok, vamos.
C'est bien, elle va commencer à parler en espagnol à partir de mercredi.
Voilà, je suis prête là. Je déménage et tout.
Si.
I think we have a problem right here. This cannot be it.
Hey, there we go. R.
This cannot be it.
We're gonna be a pirate today.
Who lives in a
So how far are we going? Because this is like a dead end. So we out here. Are we in Dubai right now? What? We have our. This is our ticket.
Everybody. 1,
2.
1, 6.
Yes.
Hola.
¿Queréis más cerveza y sangría? Podéis comprar 3 euros. Pero si no les presento-
Hey guys, this is day 3 in Barcelona. Today we're going to the aquarium and we're also going to have brunch. Sangria con
you're the porn star now.
I'm porn star. So guys, we live for places like this. Like, it's so flowery, so cute. And what is it? Beach Motel. Beach Motel. Ooh, this is the egg right here. You know how we're doing this. We live in lavish. Y'all get into it. Get into it. How it tastes?
And it's it.
Amazing.
Another one.
Oh shit, it wasn't a video. It was a video.
Yes, boo boo. It was a video. How you like your tea, Shanti?
It's too hot. I don't pray for wild. If I consume anything sweet, it's going to be out. They're mixing up the cocoa. I'm bringing back.
That is so great.
Okay, so guys, we are actually visiting the aquarium. I heard there's a lot of sharks, so we want to see some sharks.
Rawr.
When this thing live is in this beach, like, is you guys ready?
We ready, girl.
Okay. Yepa. Oh, say hi, guys. Why are you guys teasing? The slide, guys. Okay, so guys, quick review about this aquarium. How do you feel about it?
They were good, but I was expecting more.
Honestly, I'm disappointed. I was expecting more. Yeah. For the price, you would expect more. It's like 21 euros per person, so you would expect more. It has a lot of little fishes and stuff. We was expecting to see like big sharks because it has like big feet. But I don't know. I don't think I would recommend you guys to come here. But I mean, it's an experience, so why not? Oh god. Guys, we are back home. I had a good day today. It was okay. Yeah, it was okay. We had brunch. It was on this gay street. I had no idea, so it was kind of funny. And you know, we went in like sex stores, and it was just like men stuff for men, you know, so it was like hilarious. Well, not really, you know, whatever. But anyways, tomorrow is going to be our last day, so we try to organize how we reach into the water park. And I actually think like we are very far. We are very far from it, so I don't know if they're gonna want to change their mind. I personally still want to go, but we're gonna have to leave early, so I don't know. Hopefully we stick to the plan and see how that goes. So anyways, stay tuned for tomorrow. I look a little bit messy. I don't know. I tried to fix my hair. It's currently 6:30 in the morning. We have like an hour and a half route to reach to the water park. And everybody else still sleeping. I up so I can get ready, and we have to go and take the train. So yeah, this is gonna be a long day. I hope the water park is actually good, because I ready to just plonger dans la cocoon. But yeah, I try not to speak too loud, but them bitches need to wait further. Early in the morning.
I think what a black guy out here for.
Oh god! I know, right? Yeah. I don't know. This one here doing salsa. This one here doing, I don't know.
Voilà. Elle arrive, mais toi t'arrives pas. Elle fait ça.
Qu'est-ce que tu as à dire, Gisela? Tu as quoi à dire?
J'ai rien à dire, c'est trop cool. Viens.
Quoi?
Happy birthday for this girl.
Happy birthday! Turn up!
Don't be a hater. For like 10 times. Nah.
No.
Sure,
That ain't it.
that ain't it, sis. That ain't it, sis. Not at all. Catch me with that shit, bitch. Oh, head!
Did you enjoy the park? What was your favorite slide?
The yellow thing there.
Oh, the yellow slide. Hey, where are
Just feel your soul coming out your mouth.
I should have casual. So this one is basically your favorite one.
Yep.
Okay. I wasn't going to do that though. I did this one. Don't mind me guys, I look like a hot mess, but park is over. Just wanted to say, like, I highly recommend this water park, but if you're somebody that like roller coasters, I recommend you to also purchase like the 2-park 1 day or 2-park 2 days, so you will be able to go to the other side where I have all the roller coasters and stuff, because we just paid for the water side, so we could only stay on the one side. So yeah, I think it's a total of 51 euro or 50 something euro for both parks, so it's not that bad for the both parks. So yeah guys, them 4 days was epic. Sorry, but like, je sais que c'est un peu mélange anglais français. J'ai essayé, j'arrive pas. J'ai essayé, j'arrive pas. So try to get as much footage as I could on the trip. I actually had a good time. It was really fun. We went and visited the aquarium, as you saw. Concerning the catamaran, was it fun? I won't necessarily say it was fun because there was a DJ, but the DJ is not really a DJ. It's just somebody that's playing music, basically, you know. And then they wasn't really playing music to your to what you want to hear. Really, we had to always keep requesting, so that kind of threw it off. And then at a certain point in the ocean, they just stick in the middle of the ocean, and there you get to jump off and you swim. They give you like floaties and stuff like that, so that's good. But like, we stayed there basically in the water wasn't still, it was like really rough, so we were starting to feel kind of nauseous and all kind of things. So I don't really recommend you to go on this boat ride if you're somebody that's gonna get seasick, and overall you might not like it, you know. You just might not like it. I enjoy it because, you know, I come to have a good time, but I'm not necessarily sure if other people would enjoy it. They also give food and they give drinks on the boat as well. They give alcohol only when the boat docks, not when the boat is moving. They give alcohol. Otherwise you get soft drinks, and then you have food like hot dog or whatever. I don't remember. I didn't eat because I wanted to vomit anyways. So yeah, the aquarium as well. I want to talk about that because the aquarium it's nice, but like I mentioned before, I had higher expectations about the aquarium, so I'm very much disappointed about that too. But then overall, like I said, it's an experience. You know when there is things in a certain country that you would not necessarily do wherever you are right now, you might as well just do it. So I find it was a little bit pricey and not enough of, it was just lacking something. Like it's just a lot of little fishes, you know, like we come to see like the big thing, like wow. I wasn't wowed about it. I really wasn't wowed. I was more disappointed. Sorry to say, I was disappointed. And then what else did we do at the water park? Oh, the water park was the best. The water park, I'm not gonna lie, it was the best. So do check that out. For us, it was like an hour and 30 minutes or almost 2 hours ride from where we was in Barcelona to where the place is actually. So if you want to like be in that area where the park is, I suggest you take a hotel like near that park, which might be expensive. That park actually has a hotel. You can take a hotel that's exterior to that area, but you should definitely do that. There's the Ferrari park, and then there's the other park like I said before. So check those things out. It's really, I overall I had a good time. I just had a little bit more, you know, expectations of this and that, but overall I had a good time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. Well, not really mini vlog. I just tried to capture like pieces of days that I could have, because yeah, I mean, you know, I mean at a certain point you want to enjoy the moment too, right? Because unfortunately I wanted to go with my camera to, you know, record us when we was on the slide and stuff, and they was like, no, you cannot go with your camera, you cannot go with your phone, which that's a minus point. That's a minus, because they actually want to offer how to say that, sell you something that you cannot even use. Like it's not valued. They have like phone cases, right? You put it in like a plastic thing, and they plastify it in order for you to go in the water. But then when you go into the slide, you cannot go with your phone. It's basically like only when you're going to, like in the pool and you're going to swim, you can use it, otherwise you can't use it. So that's kind of a rip-off, you know what I mean? Because people getting excited, they come into the water park, they want to use the thing in order for them to, you know, record or whatever, but you cannot record because you cannot go with your phone. But then you want to sell me, you know what I mean? Like, make it make sense, like, period, make it make sense. But overall, yeah, Barcelona was a good trip. Right about now, like, it's like I just have to unpack this suitcase and pack another suitcase, because by the time you guys see this vlog, by the time I finish edit this vlog and actually post it, I'm gonna be in another destination for work. So I'm gonna try to edit it as fast as possible to post it up and bring out some more, you know, vlogs for you guys. But yeah, we'll see. I just hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and you know what's up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you know, turn on those post notifications, comment down below, you know, do all that good things, and tell a friend to subscribe. Tell your auntie, your grandmother, your father, your sister, you know, the whole generation to subscribe, because during this pandemic, you know what I mean, mostly everybody stays home and watch TV anyway, so you guys can watch me on YouTube. Okay, and I can take you guys on a journey with me. I think you guys want to explore the place as well, explore Europe as well. So enough chatting, you talk too much. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, guys.